Most hiccups are not serious and do not need any medical attention. But in some cases, hiccups may be indicative of or could be triggered by some more serious conditions such as pneumonia or high toxicity levels in the body caused by kidney failure. What causes hiccups? Consuming aerated beverages, alcoholic products, spicy food and eating too fast may trigger hiccups. One may also suffer from hiccups when there is extreme stress. Do not worry. Hiccups can be cured easily with some simple home remedies as suggested in Ayurveda. Take a glass of hot water, add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, also known as elaichi powder. Mix it well, cover it with a coaster and leave it as it is for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then drink it when lukewarm. Take half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, also known as sarso. Add half a teaspoon of clarified butter, also known as ghee. Mix it well. Swallow this mixture for quick relief from hiccups. Take 1 teaspoon of asafoetida powder, also known as hing. Add 1 teaspoon of clarified butter, also known as ghee. Mix it well. Swallow this for quick relief from hiccups. You can also put a teaspoon of sugar in your mouth. Suck on this slowly. Eat well and take care of yourself.
For more such natural home remedies, visit www.homeveda.com.